Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use margin on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download a Webull application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if it's your first time using the application, you will not have an account you would like to sign up, as I said. But if you do have the application before, or it's not your first time opening the application, or you already have an account, just go log into your account and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So how do I trade? So first of all, wait, let me just go and open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, that will actually be my home or my main screen. And how do I trade on margins? So margins account with margin equity of $2,000 or more can trade on margin and short sell with up to 4 times a day trade buy-in power and 2 times overnight buying power. So first of all, if you want to use the margin, you would like to have a $2,000 on your account or more to even start using this trade on margins. So if you don't have that on your account, you'll not even be able to do that. So if you have that, as I said, you'll be able to do it and you actually will be good to go. So buying power is calculated based on your settled cash and as well as the partial market value of your current position. So maybe if you don't have it as cash, as USD, and you have it as maybe other currency or shards or stock that you hold in, if the total amount or price of that is $2,000, you can actually trade on margin and short sell up to 4 times day trade-in buyer power and 2 times overnight buying power. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.